Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve the find the value of this one. So now what we'll do here, we'll consider this as a square. This will be a, this part will be a, this will be b, and this will be c. So now let us write here first. Let a is 0.01, b 0.22, and c is 0.333. So now what will be the numerator? Numerator is going to be a square plus b square plus c square divided by this. What we can do here, the denominator, we can bring this denominator in this form, that will be 0.01. So now let us see how to do it. 0.01 square into 1 divided by 1 by 10 square. So when you solve this part, you get the same as this one. So why did we write here? We wanted here, this will be in the form of this because we have considered this a as 0.01. So we brought it in this form. So now again we will do for the next part, for this part, then for this one. So now here we can write this one as 0.22 and square of it into 1 by 10 square. Then here we can write as 0.333 square of it into 1 by 10 and that square of it. So now what we can do, we can write this one, the numerator same. The denominator 0.01 we can write as a square into 1 by this 1 by 10 square means that is going to be 1 by 100 plus again we write here 0.22 means this part, which is b square into 1 by 100. And now the third term, this is 0.33, we have considered this as c. So we can write here c square into 1 by 100. So now what will you do here? We'll write here a square plus b square plus c square divided by a square by 100 plus b square by 100 plus c square by 100. So the same thing can be written as a square plus b square plus c square divided by a square plus b square plus c square, because here we can see the common is 100, so we can just add this part. So now what we can do, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So this denominator we can flip over, numerator will keep as it is. So a square plus b square plus c square. Now let us write this in a bracket. Multiply by, if we flip over, 100 will be here. And this will be again a square plus b square plus c square, this part, because this is going to get flip over. So now what we can cancel this out. So what remains is 100. So the answer is 100. So by this one I completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.